Welcome to the New South Wales BioSMART tool and this demonstration on how to use the tool. In the map window, you can visualize spatial layers and add your own mapped features. Layers include solar exposure, transmission lines and substations, annual average rainfall, and soils. There are many biomass layers. Some are wheat straw residues, sugarcane bagasse, and softwood sawmill residues. There is also a layer identifying potential land for woody crops. We'll start by drawing a biomass region with the circle feature. You can also use the polygon feature to draw a more specific extent. Once the circle is drawn, the tool queries the underlying biomass spatial layers and returns biomass inputs on the right. Here you can select the biomass inputs that you require for your scenario. You can zero inputs or return them to the map values. Enter an input equal to or lower than the mapped tonnes and zero all other biomass inputs not required. Draw a woody crops region using the circle feature. When the circle has queried the woody crops layer for potential available areas, move to the right and select the potential woody crops module and your mapped icon. Select the land uses where you want to plant your woody crop, and then select the crop type to grow and enter the area in hectares that you are planting. This will calculate the biomass tonnes expected from the default factors. Add a biomass point to the map. Points allow users to add their own non-mapped biomass inputs. On the right, select the Biomass Residues module and your biomass point icon. Select a biomass type from the drop-down list, click Add and enter your tonnes. Add a woody crops point to the map. On the right, select the Potential Woody Crops module and your Woody Crops point icon. Select either fast-growing eucalypts or mallees from the drop-down list and enter a planting area in hectares. Go to the Add Defaults tab to create crops not available in the tool. Enter the crop name and click Add. Set your own default factors, then return to the Parameters tab where you'll find the crop now available. Your default settings are used to calculate the biomass in tonnes. Return to the map and add point features such as collection hubs, which are used for a centralised biomass storage location, pellet facilities, and power plants. Your features may require connection to the existing electricity network. Open the Map Layers menu and turn on transmission lines. Find the nearest transmission line or substation. Using the polyline feature, draw a line connecting the existing line to your power plant. Transport links between mapped features allow the tool to estimate transport distances and costs. You can alter default settings for the routes here or in the Add Defaults tab. Think about how you want the biomass to move through your scenario. The Collection Hub module has no options, but future updates may add parameters. Configure the pellet facility by choosing either white or black pellets. The tool provides default factors and uses your selected biomass that has been connected by transport links to the facility to calculate the total tonnes of pellet outputs. The power plant module provides coal biomass co-firing plants, 100% biomass plants, and hybrid concentrated solar biomass plants. The hybrid plant offers a range of plant sizes: 5 megawatts, 15 megawatts, 30 megawatts, and 50 megawatts. The user-selected biomass was not enough to run the 50 megawatt plant. Return to the biomass residues module and increase the biomass input. Then return to the power plant module and check. You now have enough biomass to run your 50 megawatt plant. The transmission line module lists new lines that you have added to the map. We are ready to save our scenario model on the Save, Run, Refresh tab. You can also delete the scenario that you've been working on and start again, which removes mapped features and biomass inputs from the tool. You can also upload a saved scenario from here. All settings that you applied at your last save for that scenario model will be loaded. The tool provides a report of your scenario, and you can access the reference menu in the documentation window. Thanks for watching this demonstration of the New South Wales BioSMART tool.